Hi everyone, thanks for inviting me to join you virtually to celebrate the outstanding nurses across Wyoming. I'm Cynthia Lummis. It's an honor to serve Wyoming in the U.S. Senate and to join you today, at least remotely, to say thank you, Wyoming nurses. My aunt is now retired but was an emergency room nurse her entire career, and my college roommate was the outstanding nursing student at the University of Wyoming and then went to work at the University of Utah Medical Center helping patients. It's a great group of Wyoming men and women serving in this capacity. For decades, Wyoming nurses have selflessly dedicated their lives to providing unrivaled care for their patients, often acting as advocates to ensure their patients get the positive outcomes they deserve. As the first point of contact for their patients, nurses often serve as the conduits between the patient and the rest of the healthcare team. Nurses are often the ones that are providing comfort, reassurance, and support, both for the families of the patient and the patient themselves during really difficult and trying times. You've all dedicated your lives to taking care of patients. And never was it more apparent than during the onset of COVID-19. That presented new and unprecedented challenges. You answered the call, saved millions of lives, and often at great personal cost, traveling all over the country to be helpful, filling in, and working countless hours to make sure that COVID patients were served. Our nation owes you a great debt of gratitude for your vital contributions, and it's incumbent upon the federal government to remove unnecessary barriers to your ability to practice medicine. I'm a strong believer that the federal government should never stand in the way of your ability to provide high-quality health care to people across Wyoming, which is why I'm a proud supporter of the Improving Care and Access to Nurses Act. This bipartisan legislation will allow advanced practice registered nurses to treat more patients and is one way we can help lower costs and expand health care, especially in our rural and underserved communities. Your compassion and dedication to your field is unmatched, and I want to thank you for your continued commitment to providing outstanding care to patients all across Wyoming. Thank you, Wyoming nurses.